Good morning! Good morning!
Did you sleep well? Did you sleep well? Did you sleep well?
Yes, I slept well. Yes, I slept well.
Are you ready for the day? Are you ready for the day?
Yes, let's start! Yes, let's start. What time is it? What time is it?
It's 7 o'clock. It's 7 o'clock.
Let's make the bed. Let's make the bed.
Open the window. Open the window.
What a beautiful morning! What a beautiful morning! I'm going to the bathroom. I'm going to the bathroom.
I brush my teeth. I brush my teeth.
I wash my face. I wash my face.
The water is cold. The water is cold.
I look in the mirror. I look in the mirror. I comb my hair. Comb my hair.
I'm getting dressed. I'm getting dressed.
What should I wear? What should I wear?
This shirt looks nice. This shirt looks nice.
I'm ready now. I'm ready now.
Let's go to the kitchen. Let's go to the kitchen.
I'm hungry. I'm hungry.
What's for breakfast? What's for breakfast?
I want some eggs. I want some eggs.
I like bread and butter. I like bread and butter.
Can I have some milk? Can I have some milk?
The coffee smells good. The coffee smells good.
Breakfast is delicious. Breakfast is delicious.
Thank you for the food. Thank you for the food.
You're welcome. You're welcome.
Where are my keys? Where are my keys?
They are on the table. They are on the table.
Don't forget your bag. Don't forget your bag.
I'm leaving now. I'm leaving now.
Have a good day. Have a good day.
See you later. See you later.
I'm at the bus stop. I'm at the bus stop.
The bus is coming. The bus is coming.
Please take a seat. Please take a seat.
Thank you very much. Thank you very much.
I'm at work. I'm at work.